Welcome to my channel. My name is Sophia, and in today's video I will tell you about LinkedIn marketing. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing subscribe button. What is LinkedIn marketing? Professionals and job seekers aren't the only ones using LinkedIn. Every day, millions of professionals use LinkedIn to build their networks and careers, but LinkedIn can also help you grow your business. You can leverage this social media tool to build relationships with individuals and other businesses to boost your brand. A social network for professionals, LinkedIn is at its core. All the business-related activities focus on career development, professional connections, and industry discussion. Employees, customers, and partners can all be found on LinkedIn. Is LinkedIn really effective? The short answer is yes. As shown in the diagram, you can see why LinkedIn is effective. 4 proven LinkedIn marketing strategies to use in 2022. 1. Create a customized LinkedIn URL. LinkedIn should be kept simple. You can customize your URL by switching it to linkedin.com in your name. There are a lot of characters in LinkedIn's default URL, so this change can make it easier for you to share your profile URL with someone. 2. Take advantage of LinkedIn courses. You can access a great set of tools and tutorials through LinkedIn courses. Your company and/or individual will gain knowledge and skills that will help them achieve desired outcomes. You can select courses that suit your company's needs. It is also regarded as the best LinkedIn marketing strategy. 3. Use targeted ads. LinkedIn ads target the right audience to deliver high-impact ads to prospective customers. As long as the contact information is correct, the ads will blend in with relevant target audiences. 4. Update your content strategy. Use creatives that speak to your reader as part of a good LinkedIn content strategy. By creating a content strategy and understanding LinkedIn's algorithm, businesses can increase their engagement on LinkedIn. How does LinkedIn work for businesses? LinkedIn is an excellent platform to use to promote a business. With over 65 million professionals on LinkedIn, it is hard to not find the best candidates for any business. LinkedIn is inexpensive to market a business, and almost half of the members on LinkedIn have decision-making authority in their companies. LinkedIn gives employers introductions to potential candidates and allows other members to recommend people they know for open jobs. LinkedIn also provides groups for companies to join to find better candidates for their business. These groups allow employers to send out messages and invitations to members when they have a job opening. LinkedIn provides a professional image for companies and helps them expand their network. Businesses should maximize the benefits LinkedIn offers to ensure their company is hiring the best candidates. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.